Another day here, Vivid Racing. Just got a call from my buddy. He's got a 2019 Jeep Wrangler Sport, and he wanted to get this thing hooked up. So he dropped it off today. Pretty simple, straight up stock Jeep, down to the wheels and everything else. So we're gonna pull this thing in back and start getting on some mods. We got some really cool stuff in store, so let's whip this thing around. Fun fact, that was the first time I've driven a manual transmission in probably a year. Okay, so what do we got going on for the Jeep? One of the best things that you gotta do is you gotta do wheels and tires, because these things are extremely boring. They look like Steelies almost. So we've got this thing hooked up. We did a set of KMC's XD wheels, 17 by 9, -12 offset, nice machine center, black outer lip, red center. These wheels are going to really transform the look of this Jeep Wrangler. We've wrapped these wheels in a BF Goodrich all-terrain TA tire. This is a 35-inch tire. So we've got all 5 here. That way we can have one for the spare as well. This thing is going to look sick with this wheel setup. But with the wheels, we gotta go up. So we're gonna outfit this Jeep with a Skyjacker lift kit. This is gonna be a 2 to 2.5 inch lift, all new shocks, springs, everything. This is one of their top end of their lift kits. We'll do a little open box here in a second, but this thing's gonna look really nice. And of course, with the lift, you gotta be able to get in. So we've got a set of the Deviate side steps going on. These things are gonna really make it cool, kind of outfit the side and give it that rugged look. So between these 3 components, we're gonna change this Jeep into something a lot better. We've got the springs. We've got the hardware components. It's gonna be your spacers, all your pieces here for the lift, drop links, bushings, all that fun stuff. Full instructions, of course, real nice, always helpful. And then this kit comes with their Skyjacker M95 shocks, which is one of the better of the 2 options. So this has all 4 new shocks going on, which will make this thing ride just as nice as it will look being lifted. Now let's open up those Deviate sliders and see how those things look. Deviate's done a great job of packing here, so these things will not get damaged whatsoever. All right, we've given birth to one. We'll get the rest of this opened up. Let's grab the other one out. All right, second side step is out. And there you have it. Love the construction, really clean welds, good brackets here. Again, the cutouts of the logos, lasered, water jetted in there. It's awesome. It's gonna fit good with factory hardware, right in the locations it needs to. So awesome piece from Deviate. Now with all the parts here, it's time to get my buddy Blake out here and start doing some work on the Jeep. All right, the install is almost done. We got the whole lift kit, everything's on, looks great. Still got these hideous stock wheels. So now it's time to finally finish this whole thing off by putting on the new wheels and tires. So we've got our lugs ready, and now we're gonna fit them up. Wheels on, everything's done. It's time for the unveiling as we pull this out, see what it looks like, because this is going to be an awesome transformation from stock. All right, the Jeep is all done. KMC wheels, XDs with the Skyjacker suspension. This thing is nicely lifted up about 2.5 inches. Dramatically changed the way the Jeep Wrangler Sport looks. So this one is done, ready to hit the trails. time for another project that we're going to do here at Vivid Racing, so make sure you stay tuned in, subscribe, leave a comment with any questions, and we'll see you guys at the next one.